ang kami nabakal. At ang kami nang matapang. Kami nang pagalaga. Ang kami nang masipag.
Of doing what your owners yelling you.
Moxiong Zerbisia Skanda at Kasiyahan. Ang hari ng negosyo Henry C. At ang hari ng boxing Manny Pacquiao. Magkasama sa boxing ring to fight crisis and to serve the people and its economy.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Ninong TV proudly presents another action off learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castroas Henry C. And for another moment we will have Rob Andre Vallejo as Manny Pacquiao. Bukas Econ Aminang the CC Katandangaraw. Studying Henry C's resort businesses and discovering Manny Pacquiao's boxing. And businesses with SM Supermosimo cast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube October 19, 2023. Henry C, the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show. And entertainment.
What's up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C, reported by your Ninong. And the title of our vlog for today is very interesting because if you are a fan of business and if you're a fan of sports, especially in boxing, anong naiisip nyo kapag boxing ang ating pinag-uusapan? Number one, Manny Pacquiao, diba? So, correct, you will have Manny Pacquiao on our vlog and we will have him in this special episode because Mr. Henry C and his SM Supermalls also have a joint force and some of the business connection with Mr. Manny Pacquiao when it comes to sports and business to serve the people and the economy. Ang title ng vlog natin ngayon ay Bukas, Ikaw Naman ang Masisikatan ng Araw. Studying Henry C's resort businesses and discovering Manny Pacquiao's boxing and businesses with SM Supermalls. Ayan. Okay, especially if we are going to SM store, somehow napunta na rin namin yung SM Bowling sa MOA. May mga binibenta ng mga sports gear or yung mga signature shoes or short na panglaban ni Manny Pacquiao sa MOA. And of course, Mr. Manny Pacquiao is also visiting Mall of Asia every year on his winning. In the year 2007, 2008, 2009, laging pumupunta sa SM MOA si Manny Pacquiao to have a concert and to see his people, diba? Ngayon lang hindi na gaano kasi medyo busy na, diba? Isa na siyang public servant and politician, of course businessman na siya. But we will have a special review and to discover how Manny Pacquiao is very open with the C family of SM and to all of the people. First of all, we will have here is the businesses of Henry C. in Resort. Kasi itututok rin natin to sa kanyang mga resort businesses na hindi natin alam, meron din pala siyang resort businesses. At hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, hindi lang apat, kundi 5 businesses ng resort ang meron ang Tito Henry nyo. Grabe, ibang klase.
Sari-sari lang to, pare. Ngayon, meron ka pang beauty parlor. Valentinos. At itong funeral parlor mo, Valentinos Funeral Parlor. At higit sa lahat, meron ka pa mga lamang loob restaurant. Specialty mga ginagawa. Galing.
Yan ang kailangan natin, pare. Ha? Magsumikap ka.
O, di ba? Talagang 100 plus talaga, pero kayang-kaya pa ng Tito Henry. Para sa bayan, di ba? Sabi nga ni Manny Pacquiao, para sa iyo ang laban na to. O, di ba? Kanino ba ginawa ang resort na yan? Para sa tao. Okay. So, we will discover here first is the businesses of resort that Henry C. has. We will have the Pico de Loro, Taal Vista Hotels, Tagaytay Highlands. So we will discover here is the businesses that they have in the resort, and we will also have here is the Hamilo Coast Condo Resort and Burot Beach. So ano-ano nga bang meron na serbisyo or activity na meron dito sa kanyang mga resort? Not only for a resort or leisure for the family and friends, pero ano-anong meron dito na madidiscover natin. And of course, after this program, we will discover is the special guest once again, Rob Andre Vallejo, na last time nag-roll as Mr. Big Soto. No? Ngayon naman, siya naman si Manny Pacquiao. So, we will discover once again Rob Andre to be portrayed as Manny Pacquiao, to discover the business, the boxing lessons, and the legacy of the Pac-Man. But first of all, we will discover here is the 5 resort businesses of Pure Henry C that will be connected in our program. Check it out. So you've just discovered the resorts of your Tito Henry, no? Talagang napakaganda, ang relax, very environmental, no? Mahilig ang Tito Henry nyo dyan sa mga ganyang magagandang tanawin. At syempre, pag tayo nakakita, i-business natin, kaysa tignan mo na lang. So, i-business natin, and of course, to serve the people and to preserve the great environment, diba? Ika nga nila. At syempre, yung mga magagandang tanawin, very healthy yan. Mga puno, halaman, mga daga, isla, mountain range, diba? Ang ganda-ganda tignan. We can discover that our God creation is really good, diba? Kaya, sa ating millennial world, no? Sa mga gustong mag-relax, you can go there sa mga resort na nakita nyo. You can have a book and you can spend time with your family and friends. Lalong-lalo na, magki-Christmas na. So, magandang pasyalan, magandang meeting place yung mga resort na nabanggit ko, just like itong sa Pico, sa Taal. Hindi yung mismong sa Bulkan kayo pupunta. Delikado pa doon, pumuputok-putok doon. Taal Vista Hotel. No? Malayo lang naman yun, hindi naman yun literal na sa Taal kayo. Sabog tayo dyan. O din sa mismong hotel. Okay. Tapos sa Tagaytay Highlands, sa Hamilo, tsaka sa Burot Beach. Oo. Okay, for the next episode will be Manny Pacquiao. Who is Manny Pacquiao? Or what contribution that he can give or a legacy, a services, not only for boxing, not only for business, but what else more about Mr. Manny Pacquiao? Diba? At yan ay madidiscover natin sa ating special guest na nakasama ko na bilang Big Soto last time sa ating si Tatang at si Bossing. Once again, makakasama natin si Rob Andre Vallejo to be role as Manny Pacquiao. So, Mr. Rob, show your presentation.
Hi everyone! I'm here po to talk about Manny Pacquiao. Si Manny Pacquiao ay si Emmanuel Dapidran sa totoong buhay. He was born on December 17, 1978 at Kibawe, Bukidnon. He got his BA degree at University of Makati, an MPA degree at Philippine Christian University. He is married to Jinky Hamora and has 5 children. He was a senator from June 2016 to June 2022. He was a member of the House of Representatives Sarangani District from June 2010 to June 2016. He was a professional boxer, nicknamed Pac-Man. He was a winner of 8 divisions World Championship and has won 12 major world titles. According to Forbes, he was the second highest paid athlete in the world in 2015. He is an evangelical Christian preacher, a philanthropist, and entrepreneur. Yan po ang ating idol na si Manny Pacquiao. Sana may natutunan po kayo sa aking munting presentasyon. God bless you all po.
Choose what you feel is right. Bit of battle instead of doing what your corner is yelling you to do. That's also true in business. I always ask experts to share their thoughts and recommendations on certain business decisions. But in the end, I ask God for guidance and decide based on what I feel is right and just. With God as your advisor, I don't think that anything can go wrong.
Wow, that's a great answer.
Hard right hand, Doug Morales. Pacquiao's all over it. Thinks he's got a chance. Morales slightly staggered after that last left hand. And down he goes. Solid left hand shot by Pacquiao, who did not like Morales saying that he didn't hurt him with punches in the second fight. Pacquiao was insulted by her. He can't hurt me. Talking about Pacquiao. Now the marks begin to show on Margarito's face as he has a big red welt under his right eye. So Pacquiao could do that.
Yeah, Margarito's saying that Pacquiao's not hurting him, but his face is telling a different story.
Indeed. And Pacquiao's beginning to land with almost every punch. Rather than just
Punching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Even go to, and it was just a perfect punch. Patton dropped his right hand, and Pacquiao came right over the lowered left hand. Watch Patton's left hand go down, and Pacquiao comes right over it.
Okay, you've just discovered about Manny Pacquiao and also his slide, yung mga businesses, legacy ni Manny Pacquiao. And once again, Rob Andre, thank you very much for your great show that you come up as Mr. Manny Pacquiao, not only bossing Manny Pacquiao naman. So thank you na pinagbigyan mo ulit ang Ninong and our viewers. Ay talagang buhay na buhay pa rin sa ating legacy. Feeling natin, no, talagang malakas pa rin ang ating pambansang kamao, di ba? I think this December, kung di ako nagkakamali, lalaban na naman siya. So let's support Manny Pacquiao, no? Talagang ibigyang panalo ang ating bansang Pilipinas, no? Ang mama donation natin. May pambili na naman ng bagong bag. Ay, si ano pala yon, Mama Jinky. But anyway, it's part of their celebration naman. Siyempre naman, tayo nga, pag nakasweldo, pupunta SM, pupunta kayo sa akin. Diba? Bibigyan ko kayo ng 50% sale. Anyway, we are very happy that Manny Pacquiao's legacy is very nice. Not only in serving the people, but also a public servant. So later on, makikita rin natin kung ano rin yung mga pa-CSR ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao dito. Okay, for the next episode is Henry C. and Pacman relation tandem. So ito na nga, yung relasyon o yung connection ng Tito Henry nyo kay Mr. Manny Pacquiao. So ano nga bang naging katungkulan or anong naging papel o larangan ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao kay Tito Henry nyo? Diba? Aside from boxing, aside from products or anything, we will discover their two connection as we have here the two legacy, Pacman and Tata. Check it out.
I still keep fighting because boxing is my passion. And it's an honor to give honor to my country. It's not about material things, it's about the honor that I'm bringing to the country.
From your Manny Pacquiao giving you the lesson of business and sports, now it's your turn, Henry C., and thank you for entering me and my family in your SM Supermals.
Thank you, Manny Pacquiao, for your lesson of fighting for hopes and fortunes. Now, let's not lose sight of our obligation to care and love our brothers. From your Henry C., giving you my action of learning the businesses and managing your career and life.
Okay, for the next episode is the CSR of Manny Pacquiao and Henry C. You just discovered the collaboration of Henry C. and Pacquiao. That you just discovered Manny Pacquiao is visiting SMOA every year. He won in the game. That he met with his fans, diba? Para mapil nila yung celebration. And somehow, Manny Pacquiao also gives or sell some of the products in SM, not only in MOA, kasi all around na po siya. Yung kanyang mga signature short, yung mga sapatos niya, yung mga ano niya, yung pag-boxing niya, diba? Some of that particular is selling and some of that is only design, parang ano siya, figurine. So sabi ko nga dun sa ice skating ng ano, ay dito sa ano ba yun? Dito sa SM Bowling. So punta kayo dun sa MOA, makikita nyo dun, meron dun sa pagpasok, naka-model yung mga signature shorts, sapatos ni Manny Pacquiao. Okay. So, the CSR, ano nga bang pwedeng gawin ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao para tulungan ang taong bayan? Diba? After mag-shopping, after magsaya, after maging happy life ang inyong Tito Manny kasi kaka-boxing, syempre marami na siyang ipon at syempre hindi kompleto ang kanyang blessing kung hindi niya ito na-share sa taong bayan. And of course, what CSR can bring of Henry C. on his resort businesses. Anong pwedeng itulong nito sa tao o sa ating environment kasi nasasakupan nila yung mga puno, halaman, etc. So, you will discover the CSR of Manny Pacquiao and Henry C.
Over na kay Mang Lino ang bago nilang tahanan. Na may bonus pa mga bagong gamit.
Sinuso ko sa ima, no? Sisipag ka para kumita ng pera. Nakakataas kasi yung buhay ko kasi ganun pa din kami galing. Diyan ako galing. God is good. Sobrang saya.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of you and to all of us. Salamat sa mga nanood ng ating vlog. Once again, the title of our vlog is Bukas Ikaw Naman ang Masisikatan ng Araw. So, studying Henry C's resort businesses and discovering Manny Pacquiao's boxing and businesses with SM Supermall. So, we truly discovered that every one of us have a chance to be number one, to become superstar, or to become a good role model. In other words, lahat tayo pwedeng umunlad or pwedeng umangat. Kasi si Manny Pacquiao din po ay galing po sa mahirap na pamilya. Siya po ay nakatira sa probinsya of the Sarangani, Philippines. And ang mama niya, si Mama Jinky pa. Sorry, Mama Donisha pala. Okay. Hindi si ang layo ng gap naman nila. Si Mama Donisha. Si Mama Donisha is only selling donuts. Mga panahon na yun. And I think maraming kapatid si Manny Pacquiao eh. Kaya binubuhay sila ng pagbebenta ng donut. And of course, Manny Pacquiao start his legacy of boxing until nanalo siya sa barangay, nanalo siya sa mga contest, na-discover siya ng ilang mga sports analytics, hanggang sa nagsimula siya sa local, and then napunta siya internationally sa MGM Grand Resort Oil, Las Vegas, diba, Amerika. At yun, lumawak na kanyang network, ang kanyang mga supporters until he become the most wealthiest people here in the Philippines. And I think he's part of one of the Forbes ng ating diba? Ating Philippine Forbes, nasa billions na rin po itong si Manny Pacquiao. Mukhang kakabog kay Tito Henry nyo, no? Mare-replace na yung 19 billion natin yan. Joke lang. Okay, so, but anyway, I'm happy kasi worth it naman yung kanyang pagiging sikat. Kaya nga title natin Ikaw Naman ang Masisikatan ng Araw. Sa mga panahon ng ating Tito Henry ay sumisikat at nagkakaroon ng chances na maging number one. Diba? Ika nga nila. Ang inyong Tito Manny, Tito Manny na rin, ay nagkaroon na rin ng chance na umusbong, diba? To help the people, to make a happy place, or what they call this is to give inspiration, sports, diba? At magbigay ng pag-asa at laban sa ating buhay. So, kaya kinantayang para sa yung laban na to. Diba? So, thank you, and I hope you've learned something. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and buy this video blog for only 150 pesos. And we have a back to school and anniversary sale. You can buy this video blog for only 150 pesos now on 3 video that you wanted for any particular. Example, ito, tapos i-download mo yung Henry C. and Gokong Way, at saka yung vlog ng Roblox, etc. Kung ano mang gusto yung vlog sa akin, download that 3 video and pay me for only 150 pesos. That is my super sale sa ating Ninong TV 3 years anniversary and 1 year anniversary sa YouTube market. Okay, so just PM me on how we can accommodate you for that. And it will run until November 25. Okay? Sa November next, December, panibagong promo na naman. So, abang-abang lang po tayo. So, thank you. Mabuhay to all of you. Maraming salamat.